Hi everybody, my name is Aspen and my social problem is the functionability and the cost of washers and dryers on campus. What is the harm, you might ask? It's a problem that might seem small but has a big impact on our daily lives. It's not just a minor inconvenience, it's a shared struggle that impacts a large number of students. For example, I myself struggle to do laundry to the fact that every washer was taken up on the south side, and since I live in Eagle, I just simply went to the north side. There's 4 of each on each side, washer and dryer. Since I simply went to the other side, I saw another agitated individual telling me that one of the washers were broken and that only 3 of them worked properly. And after that time was passed, I was just finally happy to get my laundry done. And after that, of course, now it's the drying process. I then went to the dryer, which was, easy to dry. I transferred all the laundry over, and afterwards, it wasn't just damp, it was wet. And I was like, okay, it's only $1.75. I don't mind doing it again. So I went to a different dryer, and it was damp afterwards. And then now I'm like, okay, now I'm upset because I'm now spending another $1.75 to dry my laundry, even though it should have worked the first time. I am only one individual though. I know it might not happen to everybody. I do get that it happens to majority of the people though. It could be a really good experience, only paying $3.50 every single time to do your laundry. But let's say everybody were to have this struggle and pay twice a load every single time. Paying $7 every week if somebody were to wash your laundry, that would add up to $28. And again, that's not that bad, but if you think about it, those $28 could go to something else more productive in your school life, like books, supplies. It doesn't make sense to keep spending money on laundry when we already buy the equipment to wash our own laundry, like Tide and products that just help us clean our stuff. Now let's talk about what's been done to address this issue. There was a petition last year to lower the cost, but frankly I think it should be free. We are currently already paying so much to live here, and it should be a requirement to have those necessities to help us progress into being young adults. Working on this program might not be as difficult as it seems, both in terms of what the university can provide for us and the group we can contribute. Taking the initiative and, instead of paying for laundry every week, fix the problem as a whole in providing us with efficient washers and dryers. I suggest that we concentrate on this problem. We've all experienced it, and it's a huge impact of how we impact our daily lives. We can assess the condition of our current laundry facilities and get students' input, look into what other campuses are doing, and develop our own workable suggestions to enhancement the machines. By tackling this issue, we do not only improve the quality of our everyday lives, but also show the effectiveness as a group action in solving problems that are important to all of us. I think we should make our voices heard and ensure that our washers and dryers meet the satisfaction of every student on campus. Thank you very much for listening to my social issue.